Welcome to today's talk show. I'm Shrish, and I'm excited to discuss biodiversity with my co-host, Shreya.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya.
Let's start with a quote by Rachel Carson. In nature, nothing exists alone. Today, we'll be discussing biodiversity and its connections to our daily lives.
As someone who's traveled to many exotic places, I have seen firsthand the beauty of diverse ecosystems, from the rainforests of Borneo to the coral reefs of Maldives. Each place has its own unique set of flora and fauna.
That's amazing. As someone living in Dubai, I've seen the impact of urbanization on local biodiversity. The city's rapid growth has led to deforestation and fragmentation.
That's right. Human activities like deforestation, pollution, and climate change have had severe negative impacts on local ecosystems. But it's not all doom and gloom. There have been multiple efforts by many nations all over the world to preserve and conserve these ecosystems.
Absolutely. Initiatives like the Dubai Desert Conservation Program is looking to protect local flora and fauna, while global initiatives like the Trillion Tree Campaign are looking to protect and conserve biodiversity and local wildlife.
That's amazing. And we as individuals should also make conscious choices in order to reduce our carbon footprints and preserve these ecosystems. Hey Shrish, did you know that our national anthem promotes India's biodiversity?
Really? How is that so?
Well, think about it. Our national anthem mentions Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, Utkal, and Bengal. Each of these places have their own unique set of flora and fauna.
That's right. Places like Punjab are known for their wheat fields, Gujarat is known for their gur forests, and Maharashtra is a very well-known biodiversity spot of India.
Indeed, but it's not just about the regions itself. It's also about the ecosystems within them. Think about it. The Himalayas to the mangroves in West Bengal. Each of these places have an incredible array of ecosystems.
That's amazing. Our national anthem doesn't only represent our national pride, but also our national heritage.
Indeed. And you know what makes it even more amazing? Our school is a microcosm of this exact biodiversity.
What do you mean by that?
Well, our students are here from all over the world, like Bangladesh, Thailand, and you yourself are from Arabia.
Right.
What an incredible blend of cultures and perspectives.
That's amazing. I learned so much from my friends here, and I really appreciate how the school looks at biodiversity within the people.
Indeed. Our school is like a mini world. Just like the India's national anthem, which promotes India's biodiversity, our school promotes our students' biodiversity.
That's amazing. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Stay curious and keep exploring.